10:07 na ng umaga. Meron pala akong chicken dyan. Pero gusto kong magluto ng ampalaya for lunch. At saka for dinner na din siguro mamaya. Habang fresh pa yung gulay, bumili tayo ng gulay kahapon sa Asian shop. So, lutuin natin. Yeah, maaga pa guys. Mamaya pa ako kakain. Kaya lang, kakalapag ko lang kay Indy. So, baka kasi hindi tayo makaluto mamaya pag nagising na siya. Pang dinner na din ito mamaya kung hindi ko siya maubos. Lagyan ko lang siya ng itlog. Ay, ang sarap nito. Here, let me help you.
Your rubbish from the other.
Mommy! What? It's empty. How about try Ate Isla's? Try Ate Isla's water. Good boy. Good?
Not empty.
Not empty, that's good.
It's only that small water.
That's yours.
I mean, this is only mine. This is my water.
What? Naglagay na pala ako ng oil. Onion. Garlic. Ampalaya. Itlog. Three eggs yun. And it's done. Bilis lang. And it's only 10:51. So, hayaan ko muna ito dito. Mamaya na ako kakain. Pero at least luto na yung ating lunch. Great timing! Kakatapos ko lang talaga magluto. Buti na lang talaga nagluto ako. You were? What were you doing?
Making stuff.
Making stuff. Hey! Good morning, beautiful! Good morning! Oh, look at all her teeth out there. Good morning, beautiful! Hey! Yeah, you're so pretty.
She's so pretty. Hey, what are you doing? What's she doing, Mama?
She's playing with you. She loves you.
Indy?
She thinks you're pretty too. You think Ate's pretty? Yeah?
She loves this.
Does she? Yeah, you look like Ate. Yeah. Oh,
Because we are twins.
you guys are twins.
But Indy has the shortest hair because she's the littlest
Yeah.
in the family.
She's got my hair. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Ate's got Daddy's hair. And Indy's got my hair. Uh-oh. 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 Who's got my hair? Who's got my hair? It is you. It is you. Go to Ate. Go. Go. Go to Ate. So, ito yung ginawa ko, guys. Kasi, nung nag-start nang lumalabas yung mga ipin niya, ayaw niyang matulog dito. Tapos, ayaw ko talaga siyang patulugin sa bed.
We are similar, but not the same similar.
Yeah. So, tinry ko tong gawin. Tinanggal ko yung dyan. So, naaabot ko pa din siya, pero wala siya sa bed. And it worked. Yeah, she sleeps in her car. Yes, you do. Good job, Indy. Gentle, Baba. Gentle.
She loves it.
Does she? Tuwang-tuwa yung isa. Hey! You like it, Indy? Ate's really good, eh? Look at Ate! She's so good. Oh, are you showing off too? Can you do it too? Can you do it too? Oh, look at you! Go, Indy! Go, Indy!
Go all the way to here.
Oh, yeah. Come on, Indy.
Come on.
Come on.
Go all the way to here. Oh, see.
Yeah. You wanna do backflip?
Oh.
Oh, 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 oh. You wanna show off? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Backflip.
This is how we do a backflip.
Look at that.
And then you can do this. And then.
Can you do that? Is that easy? Say easy. Oh my gosh, Ate, well done. Good job, Bubbers. Watch out, Ate. Well done, Baba. You're doing good, Bob.
Yeah, and then.
Very good practicing.
What is that noise?
Daddy or Arlo? Maybe Arlo.
I think like one of the cars having a party.
One of the...
No, that rain dance.
Okay. I know. Come to Mama. Come on. Come on. Come. Sus, kabuyag hindi eh. So, after ko magluto kanina, tinry kong mag-edit kasi ano nga, tulog pa siya. Pero mga 10 minutes lang yung nagising siya. So, great timing. Great timing, Indy, no? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
I have to go to Daddy's office to make something. I'll write quick.
Okay. She wants to make something and we need to wipe your nose. You got runny nose, girl. You got runny nose. Come to Mama. Come to Mama. Now she's coming to you guys. Mas lumalapit pa siya sa camera kaysa sa akin. Go, go, go. Well done, Mama. So, yung ilong mo, be. Here we go. Here we go. I wanna tickle the pickle, and the pickle is you. And the pickle is you. Who's the pickle today? You are the pickle. Oh, I love you. Guys, hapon na. 4:08 na ng hapon. Nakabihis na ako. Kasi punta ako ng school ni Ayla mamaya. May parents information meeting for reception. So, Ayla will be in reception next term. So, malapit na guys. In a few weeks. Mga end of July, yung term 3. Mid-year intake kasi si Ayla. So, magsisimula siya ng reception sa gitna ng school year. So dito sa Australia, merong 4 na terms. Term 1, term 2, ano siya, preschool siya. Now, starting term 3, yun nga, sa end of July, she will be in reception na. Like, ano na talaga siya, guys? Ano ba yung... Magkaiba kasi yung pangalan sa public at saka sa private. Sa kanila ni Ayla, preschool yung tawag, pero sa ibang school, kindy. So, right now, kindy siya. Now, reception, I don't know kung ano yung tawag sa reception sa ibang school. Basta si Ayla will be in reception. So, we will have a parents information meeting mamaya. Mamayang 5:30 pa naman, guys. Kaya lang, napatulog ko na si Indy. So, while nandun ako sa taas, nagbihis ako. Wala akong ibang ginawa today, kundi magbantay sa aking Indy. Which is okay. But ang kalat-kalat ng bahay, yung mga hugasin o hindi ko pa nahugasan. Hindi ako naka-edit, hindi ako nakatupi. Meron akong washing kahapon, natapos ko na yun kahapon. Hindi ko natupi, guys. Indy is very clingy, but it's okay. Malapit na talaga lumabas yung lahat. Once makalabas na lahat ng ipin, magiging okay na yan siya. Sa ngayon kasi, still ongoing yung process ng paglabas. And feeling ko yan yung pinaka masakit. Yung, alam mo yun, yung ipin trying to labas sa gums. She's full on. It's full on at the moment. Sobrang nakakapagod. Sobrang nakakapagod kasi non-stop. Buti lang sana kung siya lang mag-isa. Inisip ko, my gosh, pag school holiday na, good luck talaga sa akin. Good luck talaga sa akin. I'm not looking forward sa school holiday. I'm not looking forward to it. Kasi school holiday meaning nandito si Ayla din. Nandito lahat ng bata. Sa akin, mag-isa. Ako lang mag-isa. Ngayon, okay pa kasi tulog si Arlo, tulog din si Indy, but who knows kung gaano siya katagal tulog. Kasi ang bilis niya nagigising, tapos tinatry ko na naman siyang patulugin ulit. So, yun lang yung ginagawa ko. Pinapakain siya, solid food, milk, tapos karga-karga ko lang siya, naglalaro lang kami. Kasi once na umalis ako and once hindi mo siya in-entertain, wala, umiiyak siya. And ayaw mo namang umiiyak siya. So, yeah, it's either that or tulog siya. And kapag tulog siya, I need to deal with all this naman. Look at this. That. It's not even that messy anymore kasi I keep cleaning up. But, yeah, it's messy. It's messy. Life is a mess when you have kids. Are you gonna help me? I'm putting away all your stuff now. You have to put away, especially the small ones, ate, because remember, Indy, she won't put it in her mouth.
Thank you.
Yeah. That needs to go in the bin. Can you put that in the bin, please? Thank you, baby. No cutting, please, because the small papers, Indy will put in her mouth. Especially that's plastic. That's very, very dangerous. So you can make something with it, but no cutting. You can't cut it. I have stuff upstairs that I need to ayusin ko muna yun. Meron akong Shein order. Yeah, I will go to your meeting later. 5:30 pa naman yun. So, alis ako ng 5. Madilim na yung 5. For your reception, my goodness, Ayla.
Come on.
Nakabili na ako ng uniform nito. So, yeah, iba na yung uniform niya. Nasabi ko ba, yeah, ang cute-cute na ng uniform niya. Ayla, don't play with it. You're gonna have sticky hands. It's in this medicine. I need you to pick up the toys on the floor. And I need to do this. I need to wash the dishes before I go. Tapos kailangan ko pa itong lutuan ng dinner itong mga to para mapakain sila ni daddy nila. I'll just cook you fried rice because we have a lot of rice. Dami na natin ito lahat habang tulog ang ating Inday.
I'm sleeping.
Gusto ko bumili ng robot vacuum kasi nako, hindi ko alam kung ilang beses na ako nag-vacuum ngayong araw. Pagod na. Pagod na ako, guys. Wala pa akong matinong tulog kasi nga si Indy. Okay lang naman, sanay ako sa mga gawain kasi ito naman ginagawa ko lagi. Sanay na ako. Kapag lang wala kang tulog, ang hirap gawin ng mga bagay-bagay kasi ang weak mo. Ilang weeks na ako walang tulog. Nakakatulog naman si Indy. Natutulog naman siya, guys. Mabilis nga lang siya magising. Tapos kapag nagising siya, nagigising ako. I'm a very light sleeper. Plus, mayroon pang ibang bata sa bed. So, si Arlo kapag nagising, hinahanap niya ako, pinapalagay niya yung kamay ko sa kanya. So, pag nagising si Indy ngayon, 20 minutes later, nagising si Arlo. Alam mo yun, like, wala na talaga ako matinong tulog. Plus, kapag nagising na ako, ang tagal ko na makatulog ulit. Alam mo yun? So, grabe kahagard talaga lately. As in. Tapos lagi kong iniisip, lilipat din to. Kasi I'm pretty sure nahirapan din ako kay Ayla, kay Arlo, but I don't remember that anymore. Yun na lang yung iniisip ko lagi. Hindi mo na maaalala yung kung gaano kahirap. Alam mo yun? Ang alam mo, siguro nahirapan ka nung time na yun, but you don't remember how hard it was. Lalo na kapag nalampasan mo na. Kasi sa ngayon, my gosh, because I'm experiencing it, like, ang hirap. Tapos, buti sana kung nahihirapan ka sa isang bagay, mapupos mo yung ibang bagay. Hindi mo mapupos yung ibang bagay. Hindi mo mapupos ang hugasin. Hindi mo mapupos ang labahin, ang tupiin. Magpa-pile up lang siya kasi hindi mo siya nagagawa agad. And my brain doesn't like it. Gusto ng brain ko na nagagawa ko lahat agad. So, kapag hindi ko siya nagawa agad, my brain doesn't like it. My brain is very bad. So, ako din nagpapastress sa sarili ko. But it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Lutuan ko ng fried rice yung mga bata. Yung same fried rice na niluto ko recently, yung nilagyan ko ng beef tapa. Masarap yun. Tapos may meat na siya kasi may beef tapa. Tapos lagyan ko pa itlog. Lagyan ko maraming garlic. So gawin natin yan. Before magising na naman ang aking Inday. So ito yung ilalagay ko sa fried rice. The original beef tapa flakes. Yan. Dami kong garlic dito. Kuha tayo itlog. Kapag nagpa-fried rice ako, nilalagyan ko ng milk yung itlog. Para mas fluffy. Oil. Sus, buti na lang hindi ko na kailangan isipin yung dinner ni Dan. Can you imagine kung iisipin at lulutuin ko pa? Wala na talaga. Wala na talaga. Mabubuang na talaga, me. Nainit ko na ba, Jorns? Yung seasoning ko na to is Vegeta. Minsan nilalagyan ko chicken powder, but mostly Vegeta. And diba, amoy fried rice tayo nito. But I have to cook before I leave because 5:30 to 6:30 yung meeting. So, nandito na ako sa bahay niyan. Baka close to 7. Isusunod ko yung garlic para hindi masyadong ma-feel ng kids. Pero ang sarap-sarap na pala ng kanilang fried rice kasi ang daming garlic. Tapos ang dami ko kasing garlic din. So, ang sarap maglagay ng maraming garlic. Kaya ang dami kong garlic. Natatakot ako na baka masira. Ay, ang bango na agad. Hi, baby. We're gonna have special fried rice, okay? It's very yummy one. Gusto din to ni Ayla. Nung niluto ko to, sabi niya, Mami, I want that for lunch tomorrow. So, baon pa niya sa lunch. And ang maganda dito kasi, flakes yung beef. Hindi nahihirapan yung mga bata.
Beef. Mommy?
Yeah.
Why are you never doing this sticky? Why are you never doing this sticky?
That is very busy. Here you go. Wala pang itlog yan. Lagyan ko na. Ang daming itlog. Wait a Yan na yung itsura pala. Tinabi ko lang yung rice para Luto ko yung itlog dito. And see what I'm talking about? Kapag nilagyan ng milk, mas fluffy yung itlog. Mas gusto kong ganyan sa fried rice. Dito na tayo maglagay. Konting seasoning lang kasi yung tapa, meron na yung flavor. Tapos, ang dami pa nating garlic. Yung tapa flakes pala, galing yan kay Manoy. Pero yeah, available siya sa Pilipinas. Sa Pilipinas talaga siya galing ba? Filipino product siya ba? Oh my gosh, ang lama. And that's it. May dinner na ang kids. Kung ako lang kakain ito, lalagyan ko tong pepper, but yung mga bata kasi. Oh my gosh, so yum. So good. Alright, so I have 15 minutes. So just last tidy up. I don't know why I do this, guys. Kasi alam ko namang kakalat din siya. But I always do it to myself. Pero pag tapos na ako sa ginagawa ko, tapos makalat yung bahay, I pick up all the kalat. Kahit again, alam kong maya-maya, pagising ni Arlo, makalat na naman. But it just looks really good kung walang kalat. Eh? And ang dali lang naman yun. See? It didn't even take me a minute. 4:46. Alis ako ng alas 5. Tulog pa din si Indy, which is good. Hindi pwedeng magdala ng bata. Kasi kung pwede lang magdala, dalhin ko si Ayla. Sabi, don't bring kids. So, I'll do just that. I'm not gonna bring kids. Ang lamig, guys. Nasa loob ako ng bahay, pero nafe-feel ko yung lamig sa labas. Meron akong isang layer dito. Meron akong base layer. Ano lang to siya? Short sleeve. Tapos, itong fluffy na damit. It's warm actually. It's nice. Ganito din yung suot ko kahapon pero black. So ito naman yung white version. Ano to? From my live selling. Nung nagla-live selling ako. So this is from Bangkok. And I really like it. So I kept one white and one black. Kasi hindi siya ganun kahaba. So it's really nice. Gusto ko siya kasi it's warm as well. And just my coat. Ayoko nang kumuha ng ibang coat sa taas. And gusto ko na din tong labhan. So, I'm just gonna keep using this hanggang sa malabhan ko na siya.
What are we doing?
I need to go to Ate's school. Okay? I need to give the monitor to Dada. Do you wanna go with me to Dada's office? Yeah? Okay, it's okay. Come on. Don't cry, please. I'll give it to Dada. Daddy's on the phone. It's 4:56. 57. So, alis na ako. Okay?
Yeah.
What? You like Mommy's outfit?
Yeah.
Oh, you want me to hold you? You're so strong. You're so heavy. You're a big boy. Let's go to Daddy. Ay, sana hindi umulan. Sabi naman ng weather app, hindi daw uulan. Kasi sabi ni Dan, magdala ka ng umbrella. Nasa car niya daw. Tinignan ko, wala naman. So, wala akong umbrella. Dito na may. It's 5:14. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan yung hall. Nasaan ba yung hall? Parang nandito ata. Tara. Just in case maligaw tayo, at least may time tayo maghanap. Tapos na, guys. Pauwi na me. Oh my gosh, ang lamig. And alam nyo bang, ang text na natanggap ko is, ubos na yung fried rice mo. Kung gusto mo ng fried rice, orderan kita para i-pick up mo, sabi ni Dan. Sabi ko sa inyo, ang sarap-sarap na fried rice na yun, guys. Kumain din siguro si Dan, kasi gustong-gusto niya din yun eh. Kailang naman ako walang rice. That's yours. Careful, careful.
Okay.
Hurry. Baby. You love rice? Hi, beautiful. Hello. Hello, come follow mama. Tingnan nyo, bilis-bilis na. Come on, this way. Uy. Huwag ka maligaw. This way. Come to mama. Good girl. Come to mama. Kuyag Inday. What is he doing? Get a tattoo? Okay, stop drawing on him. Stop. No, no more drawing on his body.
Can I have some?
What?
What do you want to have?
A love heart. Just a small love heart is good. Beautiful. I love it. Thank you. Ikaw na talaga may tattoo sa chest. Hey, excited to see Mama. Were you good to Daddy? Were you good to Daddy? I love, beautiful. Ito yung dinner ko. Yung chicken from Coles, yung spicy na southern fried chicken. At saka nag-boil ako ng egg. 4 yung binoil ko pero 2 lang yung pinili ko. Yum.
Almost stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts when you still love somebody.